how to make really good espresso. Let's go.
18 grams of fresh, delicious coffee.
Use a really fine grind for optimal extraction. Use the tamp to press down firmly, but not too hard, like so. Now that is a beautiful looking puck. Look at that, let's go. Insert the portafilter into the espresso machine, pull firmly, let's go.
It's important to weigh your shot. I like to aim for 30 grams at the finish. It shows you a proper extraction. Look at the pressure hop up on this bad boy when it starts pouring. That's 9 bar pressure right there. Let's go.
Beautiful, balanced, delicious espresso.